ကြီးအထိကျင်းပပြုလုပ်မိအခမ်းအနားကြီးကိုစတင်တော့မှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်။သို့ပါ၍ဧည့်သည်တော်များအားလုံးနေရာယူပေးကြပါရန်နှင့်မိမိတို့၏လက်ကင်ဖုံးများအားအတန်တိုးပေးကြပါရန်လေးစားစွာဖြင့်မေတ္တာရက်ခံအပ်ပါတယ်ရှင်။ Ladies and gentlemen, as we are about to begin, please be seated. I have a few housekeeping notes to make before we begin today's program. First, I would like to seek your cooperation in completing this ceremony to kindly switch your mobile phones to silent mode to avoid interpretation. Thank you. ပထမဦးစွာအစီအစဉ်တစ်အရာအစီအစဉ်ဤ items များကိုဖတ်ကြားပေးပါဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်။အစီအစဉ်တစ်အရာအိန္ဒိယကောင်စစ်ဝင်ချုပ်မှကျိုးစုံနှုတ်ခွန်းဆက်စကားပြောကြားခြင်းအစီအစဉ်နှစ်အရာအိန္ဒိယကောင်စစ်ဝင်ချုပ်မှလက်ဆောင်ပန်းစည်းပေးအပ်ခြင်းနှင့်အမှတ်တရဓာတ်ပုံရိုက်ကူးခြင်းအစီအစဉ်၃အရာမဏိပူရကိုရန်ဒါမစ္စတာအာကေရှိဝချန်ဒရမနှုတ်ခွန်းဆက်စကားပြောကြားခြင်းအစီအစဉ်၄အရာမဏိပူရုပ်ရှင်နှင့်အဆိုတော်အဖွဲ့ခေါင်းဆောင်မိတ်ဆက်စကားပြောကြားခြင်းနှင့်အစီအစဉ်၅အရာတိဆိုဖျော်ဖြေခြင်းတို့ပင်ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်အစီအစဉ်၆တွင်တက်ရောက်လာသော music အဖွဲ့အားကျေးဇူးတင်စကားပြောကြားခြင်းတို့ပင်ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင် 3. Presenting the flower package of Council General and Group. တို့ပါ၍အစီအစဉ်1အရာကျိုးစုနှုတ်ခွန်းဆက်စကားပြောကြားပေးပါရန်အိန္ဒိယကောင်စစ်ဝင်ချုပ် H.E. Mr. Nandasin Baisura လေးစားစွာဖြင့်စင်မြင့်ပေါ်သို့ဖိတ်ခေါ်မှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်ဒုတိယအကြိမ်အင်္ဂလိပ်လိုပဲဆက်ပြောလိုက်တော့
Apun bagi fajra saktam magidamak leple konfam chetna nuksi chana ba khunaya magidamak ai khoi manglom da chang sille tha do pro nang ai khattagi oi ba wa khal se injang kai jang da ba khunaya magidamak tha do pro nang ai khattagi oi ba wa khal se injang kai jang da ba khunaya magidama leple ai khoi khucham na na Mami Tawan united we stand Mami Tawan united we stand Mami Tawan united we stand Mami Tawan united we stand
ကဲ့ရှင်နေရာယူပေးထားကြပါတော့ဧည့်သည်တော်များရှင်မိမိတို့ဤလက်ကင်ဖုံးများအားအတန်တိုးပေးထားကြပါရန်လေးစားစွာဖြင့်မေတ္တာရက်ခံအပ်ပါတယ်ရှင်Wakhal su hongdok lasi Ano ba mangal gi mai kaida Ay koi punna lep lasi Mami Tawan united we stand Mami Tawan united we stand Mami Tawan united we stand
Mami Tawan, united we stand.
Hello? 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 Hello?
ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯦ ꯈꯣꯡꯐꯝ ꯆꯦꯠꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯟꯖꯪ ꯀꯥꯏꯖꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯟꯖꯪ ꯀꯥꯏꯖꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯅ Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand.
I will always lift you up, even if you fall. If you're drawn in the pool of sorrow, I will caress you with the warmth of my heart. So I am lending my hand for you to hold on me.
ဟုတ်ကဲ့ရှင်အစီအစဉ်စတင်မှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်အစီအစဉ်တည်းရာကျိုးစုံနှုတ်ခွန်းဆက်စကားဖြည့်
We stand.
HE Mr. Nandan Singh Viceroy လေးစားစွာဖြင့်ဖိတ်ကြားအပ်ပါတယ်ရှင် According to the agenda to item 1 may I have a honors to invite HE Mr. Nandan Singh Viceroy Consul General of India Mandalay to deliver the welcome speech.
Honorable U Myomin Ong, Director, Sports and Physical Education, Government of Myanmar. Honorable Sri R.K. Shivachandra, Coordinator, Act East Policy, Government of Manipur. Honorable Mr. Romi Methi, producer, director, and the leader of the visiting delegation, Mami Thawans Awa Khonchat Lipunwari, and all the delegates from the Manipur Bollywood industry, film stars, singers, Mr. Shamjes Bam, Mangol Jao, Chairman Film Forum Manipur, all the distinguished guests from Mandalay and Upper Myanmar present here this evening, and also the friends from media. Minglawa, Namaste, and very, very good evening to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you on behalf of the Indian Consulate, particularly our visiting 53-member delegation of Mami Thawan, comprising of top film stars and singers of Manipur, who have come to give us a live musical performance in this beautiful and historical city of Mandalay, which is also called the cultural capital of Myanmar. As I am given to understand that this organization has ventured for the first time out of the country for the great cause of spreading the message of love, peace, brotherhood, unity, sportsman spirit, harmony with the people of Myanmar, and also to promote cultural exchanges between India and Myanmar, to be with them in their journey for economic transformation as well as their transition to democracy. As the group's name itself suggests, that they are here for strengthening the cultural bonds through their drama, art, music, songs, sports, etc. between the people of both the countries. It is all the more important and a great privilege and honor for me to witness this great cultural evening and welcome the delegation on the occasion of the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, who has always been an ardent lover of peace, harmony, and unity among each section of the society, and taught us how to win the hearts with love, non-violence, and truth. India is a land of diversities. It has an amazing cultural diversity throughout the country. The south, north, northeast, they all have their distinguished culture, and every state has carved out its own cultural niche. It has so many languages, religions, food, art, architecture, ethnic wear, festivals, customs, languages, cuisine, music, dance forms, etc. A combination of all these factors has resulted into an exclusive culture that is called Indian culture. It's a composite mixture of varying styles and influences. Manipur is, of course, no exception. It has a rich cultural heritage. Nata, Sankirtana, Maharas Leela, Lai Harabo, Nupi Pala, Manipur classical dance, folk songs. These are the various forms of art, dance, festival, etc. there. Only about a month back, on 13th of August, we had a Manipuri dance performance by a 10-member ICCR delegation led by Ms. Sobita Devi Swagajam. Also in December 2018, we had a 65-member Sankirtan 5-day event celebration with the Member of Parliament, the Deputy Speaker, and 4 MLAs accompanying them. Again in June 2019, we had 2 large Manipuri cultural groups to celebrate La Haroba Ritual Festival, 40 members. I remember Mr. Shiva Chandra was there at that time with his family and with Mr. Sarath, of course. And a 3 days cultural event, Festival of Shrine of Kate Meti, 18-member delegation. During the last 2 years, I have visited Manipur thrice. Only a month back I was there. And I have always noted so much of rich cultural variety in that divine land. Also, there is influence of Buddhism in Manipur during the medieval period. In fact, during recent excavations, much artifacts discovered were clearly Buddhist in character and texture. This makes us believe that Buddhism has found an inroad in Manipur. I've also read that in each house there are very good singers, very good actors, very good artists, dancers, and of course the weavers in Manipur. Certainly, today's program we are going to get a glimpse of the dance and singing performances by these great artists from the Manipur film industry. I would like to mention here that really it's a great opportunity for the people of Myanmar, persons of Indian origin, and particularly those from the Manipuri community who have been living in Mandalay or in Jagai or other parts of Upper Myanmar, to witness these live performances. We hardly get such kind of opportunities in India where we can see these big film stars only on the cinema screen, not in the real life. I also heard that it includes Miss Manka. Is she there, Miss Manka? She is a prominent folk singer. It is believed that the folk songs had already disappeared from Manipur. However, this singer has made a lot of efforts to bring the Manipuri folk songs on the fore, reviving it by introducing it to the youth, to the new generation of Manipur. And she also runs free classes every Sunday for more than 300 students. So I would like personally to congratulate her for continuing these traditions and customs. Indian cinema has always been on the global scene, and it is a medium that can cut across linguistic and cultural barriers and can communicate to the people. Indians settled in different parts of the world have been watching these Indian films whose themes are based on culture, on education, on entertainment, on social issues, on fashion, religion, and so on. Movies have a long-term effect on people in comparison with any other form of media. In Myanmar too, the Indian movies are being shown in various channels with subtitles, and these are very, very popular among the Indian diaspora, the Buddhist as well as the other communities. I have noted that many of the students, I have been visiting many upper parts of Myanmar where there is no facility of formal education in Hindi, but then these children, they can speak very good Hindi just by watching these Bollywood movies. So it's contributing a lot in promoting the culture. That is amazing. I am sure that this today's Mami Thawan's group visit to Myanmar is going to be a great success. As far as our Act East policy is concerned, there are 3 C's: commerce, connectivity, and culture. And the group is surely going to achieve success in all these 3 areas, as they will be visiting various unexplored beautiful natural places like Inle, Moiwa, Zagai Hills, Mandalay, and so on, thereby promoting tourism and increasing trade, commerce, and business. Connectivity, with their performance on the stage here, as well as football matches, they are going to have more people-to-people contacts in Myanmar, and also cultural exchanges, which you are going to witness a bit later today. Also in Moiwa on 15 September 2019, they have another culture program. And tomorrow there will be a football match at the Minglar Thiri Stadium. Another football match on 15th in Moiwa too, giving the message of health is wealth to the youth of Myanmar. Although they are not professional players but only amateurs, there is a large number of youth in Myanmar, and a healthy body is a healthy mind. That is the message they want to give. Certainly this is going to lead them, the Myanmar youth, to contribute in the nation building. I also take this opportunity to thank Mr. R.K. Sivachandra, Coordinator Act East Policy, Government of Manipur, for taking this initiative to mobilize the group to promote the Indian culture and sports in Myanmar, as he has been doing it in the past. Also, our sincere thanks to Mr. Sothin, Manager, Mangiri Tours and Travels, for supporting us for the event, as well as the management team of Ambika Temple for providing us this hall. Surely, our artists are here to promote the message of love, brotherhood, peace, unity, and communal harmony among people of both the countries as well as globally. I wish them all the best. Once again, thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Please do enjoy the evening. Thank you. Cheju Tambatu.
Thank you so much, H.E. Mr. Nandasin Baisura, Consul General of India. बहुत धन्यवाद सिलेबी सीजन निया नेसांग पंसी पे अपायन इंडिया काउंसिल विंचो H.E. Mr. Nandasin Baisura a Lisa Swapi Chairman Pico Apparition. In accordance with next agenda item number 2, I would like to invite again H.D. Mr. Nandasin Baisura, Consul General of India to present flower package. May I invite Mr. Umyo Myeawa, Director Sport and Physical Education Government of Myanmar to receive the flower package. Let's all fancy let can be by Umyo Akazani Kaya Tipan Chao Ji Lisa Swapi Picture Apparition. Thank you so much. May I invite Mr. R.K. Shiva Chandra, Governor at its policy, Government of Manipur to receive the flower package. Let's let can be by Manipura Asuya, Governor Mr. R.K. Shiva Chandra, Lisa Swapi, Peko Apparition. Celebi. May I invite Mr. Sinam Pritam, advisors Mami Tawai musical group, Government of Manipur to receive the flower package. Let's how fancy let can be by Manipura Asuya, Mr. Sinam Pritam Lisa Swapi picture apparition. I want to group photo, invite for group photo. I want please for group photo on the stage. Thank you so much. H.E. Mr. Nandasin Baisura, Consul General of India, बहुत धन्यवाद.
producer နာမည်တက်ခေါ်ပေးစမှာဟိုတော့က CG ရဲ့ director ရဲ့ CG ရဲ့
on the stage for photo session လေးတွေလည်း
CG ရဲ့ director ရဲ့ COI ရဲ့ RK ရဲ့အေးတော့
Please come to the stage for photo section. Myumi Arkeshiva Chandra, Rumi Mending, Byansin Bashir, Consul General of India for photo section.
I will always lift you up, even if you fall. If you're drawn in the pool of sorrow, I will caress you with the warmth of my heart. So I am lending my hand for you to hold on me.
Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand.
Set လက်ပြီးအစီအစဉ်နှစ်အရာအမတ်တရစကားပြောကြားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ရှင်အမတ်တရစကားပြောကြားမည့်အစီအစဉ်တွင်မဏိပူရအစိုးရ Governor Mr. Arkeshiva Chandra လေးစားစွာဖြင့်ဖိတ်ကြားအပ်ပါတယ်ရှင် I am privileged to invite Mr. Arkeshiva Chandra to deliver speech.
Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand.
Hello. Good evening, everybody present here. My heartiest greetings to our chief guest today, Shri Nandan Singh Bhaishwaraji, Consulate General of India to Myanmar in Mandalay. So we are so grateful to you that in a very short notice of time, we have given you maximum pressure and we can see this function today. I am very happy. Not only in these cases, earlier also you had helped a lot to us. The Act East policy, the landscape of it has totally been changed when we opened the international border on 8 August 2018. This is our Consulate General in India, in Myanmar, that who had done maximum to bring closure with India and Myanmar, especially in opening the border, especially in bridging up the cultural ties with the people of Myanmar and India. Thank you very much, sir. I also really appreciate Mr. Wong Nang, our principal director for sports in Mandalay. Through his help, we'll be able to play football tomorrow with our artists and the artists of Mandalay in the Thiri Stadium at 4 p.m. tomorrow. And not only this, sir, you also help in the women football exhibition match, earlier played in 2 occasions in Manipur, and in a reciprocal manner, we also played in Mandalay and the Jagang division. Thank you very much, sir. The purpose of Mami Thawans, with a very big contingent, about 54 people coming to Mandalay, is not only for visiting Mandalay. We are coming with a message of love, a love for the people of Myanmar. We also feel that Indian diaspora is here, who have been migrated and who have been settled down for the last thousands of years. Mami Thawan's also bringing a message of love for the Indian people who are segregated by an boundary, by an international boundary. But in heart, we are one. For that message also, Mami Thawans really would like to express their love and the affection for the people of Indians in Myanmar. That is also what Mami Thawan is bringing along. And thirdly, Mami Thawan's main agenda is, though there is better connectivity, Southeast Asia is now sticking with lots of drugs problems and the other unwanted, activities around the border. So Mami Thawan also is heralding a message that our Southeast Asia should be a drug-free zone. This is also another message. And with this, Mami Thawan also would like to touch hearts of millions Indians and the deeper bilateral ties with the people of Myanmar and India, that Mami Thawan would like to work better on this area also as well. So we are so happy, so privileged that we could see so many people here, so many Indians, so many Myanmar friends, eyeball to eyeball, so that I think we'll be able to interact more in a better way, in a very constructive way in future, so that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's, our Prime Minister of India's dream, the Act East policy, should enshrine in a better way. So I hope Manipur, being immediate neighbor to Myanmar, we have better role to play in bringing up these closer ties with Myanmar, because we are at the frontier. We have pivotal role to play in bridging up the gap. So with this, I thank you everybody, and thank you for making this function a grand success. And with this, I conclude my short speech here. Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ake Shivachandra Yaipabiro. Assistant Toya, Mrs. Ga Pyacha Bibayan, Manipur, Yoshin Suro, a Pue Gangzang, Izazwa Pija Apparition. May I invite the leader of the singers and Flintstones to Manipur, Romy May, the advisors, Mami Thawan's music group.
Lengsin Biriba, Paipuno Pu, Kubak Sangjo Tara Lona, Ikok Nona Kurumzari. A very good evening to ladies and gentlemen and beautiful children, those who gathered here in this beautiful evening. First of all, I would like to thank Consulate General of India for hosting this beautiful evening. As Mami Thawan Foundation is a non-profit foundation which really hopes and aims to render services for the welfare of Manipur. From the last 2-3 years, like we have been serving our state with targeting for a better Manipur, a fit Manipur. So this program itself is within the part and target of the Mami Thawan Foundation. So with the permission, allow me to speak in Maitelon a little bit. Lengsin Biribok Paipunong Pusu Amuka Mami Thawan Yemo Chinjaraga ina Amukasu Tamuinungi Harau Budu Kudol Togzari, the Sengna Mami Thawan si Manipur gi the Kundariba Mipum Kudimaki Yaipanabagi the Makta Karigumba Tabak Karatorum si Haidana Lepsaba Foundation Amani Duga. Foundation Sigi Satarak Watabak Torum Singi Manunda Ama Oiriba Lipun Wari have a program si Gi Manunda part Ama Oibanga Sigi Nutil the language Liba Kwai Pudong Pu Amkushu Amna Tagat Padu Fongdok Sari Loina Loina program si Loraga Yam Hen Aquina Nuai Zaribadi iramdam sida leibiriba igi mari ichil nau singa amukka punna wari sanazabaduni kone amne hena nungai jagadori will say duga ngasigi nungairaba what do you say, this musical evening will be started in a short period, and you must be knowing, like we came all together 54 members comprising of top singers and film actors and also internationally acclaimed folk singer Manka. Within a short while we will all enjoy this beautiful musical evening. Thank you once again for hosting this beautiful evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rumi Mayday, advisors, Mami Tawan's music group, Celebi, a season Leia, Tiso Pyomi Mi, season Preparation, Dubai, Tiso Pyobi Mi Dumia, Semian Bodo, Lisa Swapi, Pico Apparition. Program to the performance.
Ngasi August ki nakpigani September ki tang tara thudokna yamna hena puding nungsiningai waiba iramdam Manipur dagi soina takraba aikhoi ki ising lamdam asida tariba sing khwai punamakka Laksariba Mami Thawanga Punna Unazaduna Wari Watai Saba Amasumadugi Saruk Amawaina Pangthok Sagadoriba Entertainment Gi Program Si Yengbiriba Bijeng Tabiriba Kwai Prongpu Mami Thawangi Maike Dagi Taram Nok Sabolorena Ikodona Kurumzari.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joy B, and my friend, Mr. Denny, will be the host of this beautiful evening, the musical extravagant, a historic evening of Mami Tawan, our concert Lipunwari 2019. Ladies and
Mami Thawangi, our concert Lipunwari Yamna hena puning nungsiningai wariba iramdam sita tabiriba khwai punamak amasung igi mari sing waijariba aikhoi ireisa sing khwai punamakka unajabagi nungai jaba phongdok sabagalorena laksariba actors singi maikedagi tongan tongan ba program sing mathang mathang miyamda khudol tamba hojanabagi tanja adu matang sidagi laujage.
we extend on behalf of Mami Tawan Foundation our deepest sense of gratitude and sincere thanks to all the distinguished guests, invitees, the wonderful people of this beautiful land of Myanmar, and of course the most wonderful team of Mami Tawan for gracing this occasion and for your presence. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience. Ladies and gentlemen, over the next few days, we shall be having a wonderful time together with the people of this beautiful land of Myanmar. We shall be mixing, mix and mingle with the rich tradition and culture of the two beautiful neighboring countries. And also, we look forward to a fruitful and also a productive stay here in Myanmar with all your love and support. And we wish to take back with us a truly memorable experience for the years to come, ladies and gentlemen.
Ngarang September kitang mapandagi horaga tarik tara ni thoi fawda iramdam sita leiduna tongan ba thorum kaya utsabada natana iramdam sita leiminari ba khwai punamakka punna wari watai sajaduna nungai ba aikhoi na lamdam sida koirak pagi nungai ba mahau du pibi gani haibagi aset pa thajaba thamjaba galorena iramdam manipur bu sai thajabi sai amana ahan ba miyam ta khudol tamjage hairiba isai si sakpina bagi damakta mami thawan gi baroina actor sing khwai pun mano lekhat piraktuna hairiba isai sibu yawina bagi damakta sakpina bagi damakta kausinjari.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the wonderful team of Mami Thawan for the opening song Manipur Manipur. The song will be led by the very famous film actor singer Mr. Hamom Sadanand Singh.
Hello. Hello. Shh. Hello.
Manipur, 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 Kaudi imani, Singlon mapal na koisalibi. Manipur, Kaudi imani, Singlon mapal na koisalibi. Singmi tamigi haurak phamni Uru kai Sa Luta malam deni Manipur, 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 Manipur. Haurak phamni siyoi siroi ni lai sat phamni Loktak naming sel oi palam Shayol sangai gi sanapam Shangos kamzai gi haurak phamni Siyoi siroi gi lai sat phamni Nungit seklana chakta jaba Kangla sa di lamdam ni Manipur, 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 Manipur. Imag
ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯂꯝꯅꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ 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 ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ
Thank you.
ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯕꯨ ꯁꯩꯊꯥꯕ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯩꯍꯧ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯂꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯔꯤ masamak film gi music director ni film actor ni amasung singer ni miyamda khudol tamjari Mr. Sori Senjam miyamda khudol tamjage Sori Senjam gi tamak miyam ahuba khwa khubigani Sori Senjam dagi sai khardam
Ladies and
miyamda khudol tamjage
gentlemen.
loishi
Thank you once again. Coming up next is a feast for your ears and eyes. A magnificent performer, a renowned singer, music composer, and music director. A truly role model in himself. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Sori Senjam for you. Thank you.
Check. ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯕꯔꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯀꯣꯡꯅꯣꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯁꯤꯌꯟꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯤꯛꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯒ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯣꯗꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯖꯒꯦ My first number is Segaira Thamo. It's a song from a Manipuri digital film. It's a quite old number for me and one of my favorite. One, two, three. Segairat moigi machet singdu Susindu na leiho renunciva Wakat pasungam la roi da chimbase Kadigi fujin viram lina kudnam Segairat moigi machet singdu Susindu na leiho renunciva Wakat pasungam la roi da chimbase Kadigi fujin viram lina kutna Mapoktarit lang ngam la roi da chimbase Kadigi fujin viram li Kadigi fujin viram li nakutna Ay na nga si saksari ba isa si Ako'y laksari ba nga sa team Mami Tawan gi Chairman Mr. Romy Mitay renowned filmmaker na ibibay sa ini ma'am kubaw no kubiyo Mr. Romy Mitay Efter Hey, 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 hey. Hai phẩm khăn đế phục ninh ghi nung si bơ Mapal thuốc na chim bas na phong đô phong âm đế Phong đốc tơ na nung si bơ Om shakva leta moi se Hai phẩm khăn đế phục ninh ghi nung si bơ Mapal thuốc na chim bas na phong đô phong âm đế Phong đốc tơ na nung si bơ Om shakva leta moi se Hai phẩm khăn đế na Sang ba na bơ si roi cái chính sang đó In na pom gan bi li li su 만나보 시로이기 칭상도 잉나 뽕근비 리리수 lấy sao tôi đi ngỡ si đi lấy sao tôi đi ngỡ si đi ai guitar môi lấy con su lấy ca phân sát lờ đêm ai guitar môi lấy con su lấy ca phân sát lờ đêm hai phàm khăng đê phục ninh gin nung si bơ mà bao thuốc na chim ba su phong độc vang âm đê phong độc đê na nung si bơ ôn sát na lệ ta môi dây hai phàm khăng đê na hai phàm khăng đê na Thank you. Yeah. Hey. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Ah, ah, ah. Sindol ket na pairibo liri humbo malangbo ay gita moigi yawase Sindol ket na pairibo liri humbo malangbo ay gita moigi yawase Nuksi magi mafamda Nuksi magi mafamda Tambiu ko manang banang na 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 hai phàm khăng đê phục ninh gin nung si bơ pal thuốc na chim ba sa phong độc vang âm đê phong độc đê na nung si bơ ôm sắc na lệ thơ môi xe hai phàm khăng đê na ai phẩm không đơn ai phẩm không đơn Also for next number, 이사이시 애원다 아빠기 오직 아이 이나오 하이가드라 간비럭바니 아드나 이사이시 ngasi기 compare되기 에아 블록저가 아이 거것저게 머니푸르기 actor film star moi biriba Mr. Roshan Kotoksegi Koba Hondu Kobiu Hariba isaisida aina saksakibani aduga Brother Roshan na ek tawbigiba isayamani mayamda kulo tamjage
Hello, check. Hana magtada sida lebiriba halaman amadi marumapang singbu hana magtada ikong nana kuramjari Hello, check. Hello.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hello, hello. Hello. Listen bangam trouble, bukti ayuba magkuse. Listen bangam trouble, bukti ayuba magkuse. Thank you. Nangi wahaygi tauraba tazilna, pena hanjin tindat piro. Nangi wahaygi tauraba tazilna, pena hanjin tindat piro. Matuna hingbagi mama lev lagay, matuna hingbagi mama lev lagay, matuna hingbagi mama lev lagay, matuna hingbagi mama lev lagay. Mensin mangam draba, buktingi ayuba magkuse. Mensin mangam draba, buktingi ayuba magkuse. Konjel tok na lao ko nangbu nukside hai na. Konjel tok na lao ko nangbu nukside hai na. Nangi ayak ko konjel duna nongdol soraren se sakay duna kokak tatarag pa oy rasanu. Kokak tatarag pa oy rasanu, kokak tatarag pa oy rasanu, kokak tatarag pa oy rasanu. Mensin bangam draba, buktingi ayuba magkuse. Mensin bangam draba, buktingi ayuba magkuse.
Nafam da amu kanna yelaroi, nangi ay fanaba kan basulet ke adubu. Masimotan di ayaba pibiyo, masimatag di ng buning singjage. Masimatag di ayaba pibiyo, mapuksimagi ng
Thank you. Mensin mangamraba pukningi ayuwa makhulse Mensin mangamraba pukningi ayuwa makhulse Nangi wahaigi tauraba tazilna Pena hanjin tindat piro Nangi wahaigi tauraba tazilna Bena hanjin tindat piro Matuna hingbagi mama lev lage Matuna hingbagi mama lev lage Matuna hingbagi mama lev lage Matuna hingbagi mama lev lage
Mesin mangamraba pukningi ayuwa makhulse Mesin mangamraba pukningi ayuwa makhulse.
Thank you so much once again.
Matang compare kokotsari matang sum.
Thank you. My dear brother, Sori Sanjam, that was a beautiful, beautiful performance indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, may I once again request a huge round of applause for Sori Sanjam and the wonderful team of Mami Thawan. Thank you.
Thagatsari, Sori Sanjam gi say, Pam na tabiba, amasung bijeng tabiba thawai happy bagi damakta, khwai punong po hadan thagatsabaloyana, batangi, say, sakpi gadoribi, singer, haizabatare say sakpi, taseng namakiti mahag, Saisakpi Amadinate, or some actor ni Adubo. Saisakpi Amoinasu, Miam the Kudol Tamzari, Tadok Handona Idam the Mitang Labi, Miamgi actor ni, Koxinjari, Agishal, Miamgi, Shoma, Laishram, Miam the Kudol Tamzage, Lovishi.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the very beautiful Soma Laistrom, the heartthrob of all the youth of Manipur. Actor, also a singer. Soma Laistrom for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Kurumjari, a very good evening to all the beautiful out here. Minglaba. Today, I'm really happy and glad to be a part of this event. I would like to thank the people here and also the Consulate General of India for supporting such event and believing in us that such kind of events will bring a greater bond between the Manipuri and also the Burmese people. So I hope in future you'll keep us supporting so that we'll bring a greater bond between the two neighbors' country. Thank you so much once again. Well, in connection of this program, I have prepared a song for all the people out here. Though I'm not a professional singer, take this as a small token of love for welcoming us today. Thank you so much. Khang ho de ko ho khare matamdo kalag i bidya sakhi khadna chaina yaina shuna mapi lai di taminaki tande mande dandi kina khangna khang ho de ko ho khare matam do kalaki bidya sakhi Kangru matik manghan kibay khujin na khona ya na chikna maida mita dangata Kangru matik manghan kibay khujin na khona ya na chikna maida mita dangata khang ho de ko ho khare matam do kalaki bidya sakhi Akandana ason babuyay bi Upay laytang chinda tidak sud ka Akandana ason babuyay bi Upay laytang chinda tidak sud ka khang ho de ko ho khare matam do kalaki bidya sakhi ayo ima ojada ta aga purhan ge khat chat ta da khat da ayo ima ojada ta aga purhan ge khangni khat chat ta da khat ha khang ho de ko ho khare matam do kalaki bidya sakhi khadna chaina yaina shuna mapi lai taminaki tande mande dandi kina tande mande dandi kina Thank you Shishu Timbare, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss Somalaisra. Thank you for the wonderful number. Khangna khang ho deko ho kre matam se. Ladies and gentlemen, we have loads and loads of entertainment program in store for you. So, please hold your breath, fasten your seat belt. And we have next coming up a very handsome, a very popular film actor, singer, music composer, also the Vice Chairman of Mami Tawan Foundation, Mr. Sadananda Hamom.
Mr. Sadananda Hamom with the Miam over Kuba Kubigani, Sadananda Hamom Kudol Tamzari Nawishi.
Mayambu Amukahan Kurumjari Tasing Badi Ekona luxury Bakarasina, Mayam say entertain Tono Honavana Aise, Aising as I can with Isai Sakpa Pangaroidra kind of Kanjaravani, Aise the Moku. Mayamna, I get Tanjama, I Matam Sana luxury because we have a lot of different items, dancing, folk song, and many different Tongan ba lady. Aduna, I know. Succeeding by say, I may am so Swedana. Karato Bigani and a can by saying Manung the Gi. Laikona Aina Som Laga Nachom Namina Sem Kare nahakpu sangjaba hakti gulaf ki tingkhang oi hore lấy khôn na aina somlaga na chomna mina sem khare lấy khôn na aina somlaga na chomna mina sem khare na hakpu sakjaba ai hakti lấy khôn na aina somlaga na chomna mina sem khare na hakpu sanjaba ai hakti gulaf ki tingkhang oi hore lấy khôn na aina somlaga na chomna mina sem khare lam lan bi yai fa bakanagi kong loi yen ja hau ba nat na kari su ngam hau ne kham ja ba na hak pu oi kare na hak ti lam lan bi yai fa bakanagi kong loi yen ja hau ba nat na kari su ngam hau de kham ja ba na hak pu alage ai hakti ningam da laki balam bi dai than ta lấy khôn na aina somlaga na chomna mina sem khare wahai khudingda thajarui na hak se aigini adubu warau dena ngonda pangda ba aitagi irani na wahai khudingda hajarui na hak se aigini adubu warau dena ngonda pangda pa aitagi iralni sinthari bapirang dilamande nathak tada ba oishanu lấy khôn na aina somlaga na chomna mina sem khare na hakpu sanjaba ai hakti gulab ki tingkhang oi hore ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯅ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯁꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ. It's been around more than 20 plus, maybe around 25 years I have been singing, sir. So many songs for me. Isai mayam dudagi amma heta salakpaduna adum penthok piro kari isai sakkadoino hojik. Sake. mayamna sakhaningba isai leirasu adum haibiro uko kaimta kano tawbiganu akhoi se inau nipa adagi iyamba dauna hena nungsiba mari ichilinau gi oiba mari sida leigiba ichilinau singchina aikhoina saksaba sumaina stage da tawbuse uba phangdaba se amuktadi uhallurage haiba wakhalon sida aikhoi lakjarabne aduna mayamna pendaba yawrasu kuba ho hona khubiraga khara hena penthok piu Koi na pai vi chek lani nang di Koi na pai vi chek lani nang di Koi na pai yu lay ra kulak pai bi chek lani nang di koi na payu lay ra kulakta koi na payu lay ra kulakta everybody please yeah koi na pai bi chek lani nang di koi na pai bi chek lani nang di koi na payu lay ra kulakta one more time koi na payu lay ra kulakta say gali gali da yarapana nangina thau oi bani gali gali da yarapana nangina thau oi bani laite nangi yarik pam laira bai gi khang phok sangda laite nangi yarik pam laira bai gi khang phok sangda koi na pai bi chek lani nang di koi na pai bi chek lani nang di koi na pai yu ha lay ra kulakta koi na pai yu 1 2 3 Yai panungai gi pamelda oyu nangi yarek pam Yai panungai gi pamelda oyu nangi yarek pam Nungai bati bada soidana sikla pun sikim jani na payu lấy ra kulakta koi na payu. Everybody sing with me one more time. Sing, I'll sing. Koi na pai bi chikla. Yeah. Koi na pai bi chikla. Wow. Koi na payu. Ah. Little louder. One more time, sing it. Koi na pai bi chikla ni nang di. Koi na pai bi chikla ni nang di. Koi na payu lấy ra kulakta. Koi na payu lấy ra kulakta. Koi na payu lấy ra kulakta. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sadanand Hamom. Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly honored and feel privileged to have such wonderful audience among us today. We are so much thankful to you once again. And thank you, Kutsem Live, for being our media partner. Coming up next is a highly talented girl, truly a gem in the film industry of Manipur, also a recipient of National Film Award winner for her debut film, Fizigi Mani, 2011, for her best performance. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up for you is Miss Tontoi. Please put your hands together for the very famous, very beautiful National Award winner, Miss Tontoi.
National Awardee, Manipuri Tanglabi, Equation, actress, Miss Tontoi, Miam the Sinazake, Miam, Auba Kuwa Kubigani, Tontoi, the Moctamiam, Auba Kuwa Kubigani.
Khurumjari mayam log.
Ngasi si ay mabham celebrity si ay my mama kag mayam da present tawzage tawbani. Actually, I'm not a professional mime artist. Adurshu ay mime sina ay koi loan khang daba mayam ga kirang communicate tawba ngamga ta khalaga hairiba art form asi medium asi choose tawjabani. So I'm yaurba so mayam na ngapi gani khurumjar.
Hello, check. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request for a huge round of applause for Miss Tontoy, National Awardee. Thank you so much. The much awaited moment has arrived, ladies and gentlemen. An extravagant performance by an extraordinary talent. A very young lady who at a very young age has sought fame through a chosen career, that is the folk music of Manipur. She is not only popular in the state of Manipur, but also famous. She also has entered international as well as international arena in the field of film of folk music. She is none other than, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Mangka Mayanglangbam. Joining Miss Mangka is the chairman of Mami Thawan Foundation, Mr. Romi Meitei. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Mangka for some of her best numbers.
Hello. Hello. Ahanba maktada tinbiriba khwai punamakko khurumjari. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Minglaba. Ahanba isai asidi Penagi say sakta Kambanong ban anigi Waktalam jil saktaramge. The first song will be a traditional song, and this song will describe about the marathon race between the two subjects of Moirang, and this particular race is to bring love, peace, and harmony. Amuka sahana mayam punamakbu khurumjari aduga hauzik life the yengbiriba iramdamgi khwai punamakbu so magana khurumjari.
Hello, check. Hello, 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 1, 2, 3, hello.
Hello, hello.
lấy bỏ tình lý hỏi ta ra su tình bi tapi bang amba su yang bi de hai bi bang amba su ban thâu gi li nga pham bi de palim gi li de su tin bi de pang zadravan anai khoi na tara gi thogal phang jaba lal mad ngak piu hai de nang tara gi ngak no kha de hanna hanna punim jai ke ge lila chau moi rang lila chau ba sak ba gi loi ba nai tra ba tha ba gi loi ba nai tra ba bu wang len mi kuk marum dang sai tha jarong ge ai bungoi lam len kwak ta mai kai de gi kham nong ba na ni bu wa lok je nu ge na na ai khoi na yang
자닝마다 시리바 자닝마다 나가 자리바 달로이 기티나 멍하네 하이나 홈나 빨리바 후라이 기티나 동바하오 난게 옌디나 깝다 하이로 자네 딩동동더니 깝디난더라 롱통해 예시롱다 예진바 예시롱다 예동바 이거 헤이바 예누나 와타리나 고칼리 예마마다 공열바 이거 바마 농바리 예게미야 멍멍라 야지가나 지라리 요렇게다
Kamanung balanido se khalapana natainom kaida ning thizavano ning thinaga mapa laiteda yet sen mana nomba oida sen mana khamchi tale hi naga mongi kaida loi loi chelakpa ngam khalakon yorakle thak nom isumya Sumiya, kege miya punamau, nang tikhalakpa, koire naga sangu paikni.
Hari 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 ya bemau hong paida hong lam ta paida bung ai lam tum si everyone hong tao te ki karisa asami renaga tonu naga lengumi anni makki na teina aho makki na teina lau cheruge na laina amanong balani do makunatte naksal makunatte masa inakan balendon lau hai ba kam la ta ta Ipai ko panthau ipanana mai tarang ko kumjana nare sulmi kumsina kumjaya daulam thoi mirang labadi nana oi bi ai ha ibudong thang ding ki theng mari na phiral ma thon ka je ge yang dau o lam thoi bir ngang ngay khám mà tao nông man riêng hay cái tao mua chén cái là gì tao nông man ăn tháp công nhàn mà chén là gì tao mà hay chén mà đi ngắm đi công nhàn tao không là ibu nông hay nông man lagi hong ama lagi ani lagi hong lagi Maria matang heng alang le nung ya Hare Hello. Mathangi isai ase accompany tawinaba akoigi dada hum ko khachage mamanga sohana perform tawikre kaka Purnananda da Sori Senjam amadi da Sadananda mukoiga punna mathangi isai lemhoriba isai sing asimaga punna perform tawsage. Thank you. Aigi mathangi sai se Manipur gi sagon bu sai tha jaba hada samadon ayamba saksake. My third song will be also a traditional song of Manipur. Khongjom Parba Hairiba Saisakudagi Khongjom Langi Sai Matenga Masakcharamge. It is the Anglo-Manipuri war between British Empire and Manipur Empire. Sorry, what Manipur Empire? British Empire and Manipuri Army during the 1891. So it is a song of a war, and we call it Khongjom Lan.
Hello.
Manipur Sana Pungmayon Laina Thawalam Damni Jinguroi Damuroi Lisang Shitna Kundabalam Nungshijavalam Damni Manipur Sana Pungmayon Laina Thawalam Damni Jongtha Ponga Anina Kutta Thang Sang Chungoi Paraga British Sama Jamaga Lamba Panavalangi Sajil Taurapa Medjar Jongtha Miya Prajapasi Medjar Jongtha Miya Prajapasi Pauna Kutana Thang Sang Chungoi Pai Latina Sa Jinataurame Medjar Jongtha Miya Prajapasi Pauna de mi ya de nong ma pom ma cha na ni se ma ho de na de mi ya de pom ma cha na ni se ma ho de oh dai ba la ba chong la ba oh dai ba la ba chong la ba nong na chong ba ni tu na ang tang hai ya da British jam ke kare it the light in the car oi the light oi the soy mang the light mang the car tung the light the soy yin tin ara soy mo hubban hubban company kun ka pasal mo ang iba mo hai de le wa ong de cha mo ang iba mo hai de yin tin ara soy mo Come on. Sila last. B. Arul ba isay amo lai harau bagi isay mayam amadagi khongba charaga saksapane. The last song will be a song of Lai Harauba. Lai Harauba is a ritual festival of Manipur, and it is a merrymaking of god and goddess. Sing this heart be Sing this heart be Sorarin gilay pagda Hey 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 Sorarin gilay pagda Sorarin gilay pagda Tinang na ani kong berbuah Tinang na ani kong
Hello.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, what a rare piece of presentation by Mangka Mayang Lambam that was. Aikoigi tanglaba mani nungsijaraba akoi pumnamaki ichanupi Mangka Mayang Lambam, an internationally renowned figure in the field of folk music, Miss Mangka Mayang Lambam. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge round of applause for Mangka Mayang Lambam. Joining her was a very prestigious chairman of Mami Thawan Foundation, Mr. Romi Meite, Vice Chairman, Mr. Sadanand Hamom, Purnanand Hamom. In percussion was Jayanta, and also, yes, Denny with us. Thank you once again, being such a wonderful audience once again. And it is our humble request to kindly stay with us till the end of this evening program, because we have a lot more coming up. Mathangi pizagadoriba performance asi mayamna ngasai dagi khorang na ngaibiriba yamna popular demand, especially from our host country, from the very beautiful land of Myanmar. Burmese song will be presented by a very popular film actor, also a singer, Mr. Kaba. Kaba will give his best performance, yes, and will be presenting a Burmese song.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Ahanba isai si ai koigi Burma gi oiba purup atopa purup ki amato oina ba koigi integrity song oina ai khudol tamjage aduga soiki ngam ki yawarsu ngakpi gani.
Mekane malika so sisenya Ten poro sirenganye Mekane malika so sisenya Ten poro sirenganye Ngana kenile yin mam yenti se Silom chindu ente chinipo siname Sedana de chopionula Cheat with go rose with the pinge Bel tu quel my leg kind my leg twine Ninian jin when the tinipon siname Don't ninian jin when the sinipon siname Ten chill nikon ya Silong Chin ye ia the silly del sisi jame Let's trail pido pon the silly to go to solete the silly tang sisi jame the silly tang sisi jame Hey Beyond the dancy and motion, yeah. Oh, see that moi that man. More beyond the dancy and motion, yeah. Oh, see that moi that man. Tang po tuwa de ne, ma pianta do ma kwe, ni ne what the sinu po si na me. Silong Chin the way to the bossy the man Yaman yan lo tin ngay de ni mo ye ye kui muy sa fit de le Nin yun chin tuene Kain kait nye semel Nien jin jo enda Singapore si na me Dok silong jin jo enda Singapore si na me Tuen chil ni kon ya Long rin ye ia Ta sile da si si jame Let's trail pido po Ta sile to po tu so let's say Ta sile tang si si jame Mayam, ako ba kumahaptang Mr. Hurugi Damagda, iya mo Hurugi Damagda Nanti masonde tong dalapaw Pinjalat pindalat at kaile Oksin manganye So tati chasaw Silong Chin the way to Singapore na me Sarson mawa nine day tandalan ye Sarson mawa nine day tandalan ye Ikai dan rin to da le Perfect the quay 12 days and sasipa Silong Chin the way to Singapore si na me Silong Chin the way to Singapore si na me Tuen chil ni kon ya Silong Chin ye ia Ta sile de si si jame Let's trail pido po Ta sile to po tu so let's say Ta sile tang si si jame Hey! Blue chunka faded in Archale Silong Chin tuwede alina pitone Dan popin ya mayalo ya kayalo betino Silong Chin tuwede Singapore si na me Silong Chin tuwede Singapore si na me kachin kya kachin mun mun maya kaisin ni ne del khai me del jana biju susang kada shiname hey tonsil nikoya silon sin ye ye Tasilla del sisi jame Lesson 12 pido pok Tasilla de pok tu so let's say Tasilla time sisi jame Tasilla time sisi jame Tasilla time sisi jame Sesu timare arang ba sabanina ay mathang sinamuk ay na saksawa isay kuidri release daw kiba adu makag mateng khak saksage adu gi matong damo mathang China dudi china de Chaira tu su kijate Launam bi thamoi amabu Karigi su tha jarui aina Hey pangbaigi pukning nangbu waraw dabadi ngamde Hey pangbaigi pukning nangbu waraw dabadi ngamde Isay masi mayek asibu ibiriba khoigi mami chuan gi chairman yam romi mete gi damak ahu ko atan sari kari gumba nong dolatia se aigi poloi bai mai kuna kari gumba nong dolatia se aigi poloi bai mai kuna nongoi na hai thaduna samthok pati ngam laroi sinthari ba nangi minambai pira nongoi na hai thaduna samthok pati ngam laroi sinthari ba nangi minambai pira Isay sida ay mateng pangbinaba ay marok Roshan stage mathal sida kausin jari duga isay si mana kumani do acting mateng makak pangbinaba ay kausin jari Roshan gi namak ahu khuwa tani jari ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯄꯣꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯄꯣꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯛꯂꯕꯁꯨ 미오이나 낭부 눈시바 보가나봐 나칠 때나 제이름모 더도 눈물로 하이두나 낭부 눈시바 보가나봐 나칠 때나 제이름모 더도 눈물로 하이두나 이기쁘니 낭부 와로가마디 남대 아방바 이기쁘니 낭부 와로가마디 남대 낭부 와로다버디 ngamde aroi boina United We Stand haiba mami thawan timgi mayam da pigenin ba message wahai phajaba amana ama kaina danaba amana mabu nuksi chanana lenabagi ena semjaba isai hudol tamjage isai si mami thawan gi member punna samina naba ai kosinjage ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯦ ꯈꯣꯡꯐꯝ ꯆꯦꯠꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯦ ꯈꯣꯡꯐꯝ ꯆꯦꯠꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯟꯖꯪ ꯀꯥꯏꯖꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯂꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯇꯤꯟꯖꯪ ꯀꯥꯏꯖꯪꯗꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯅ Mamit Thawan, united we stand. 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 Ah ha 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 nang aina nungi kumbini kaufade maya ka bachinjaksu thadoklasi nang aina nungi punsigi pani maya ka bachinjaksu Thadok-lasi Amamba wakal-su thadok-lasi Anauba mga gimay-kayda Ay ko'y puna lep-lasi Mamitawan, united we stand. Mamitawan, united we stand. Mamitawan, united we stand. Mamitawan, united we stand. Thank you. Seju Timare.
United we stand. Thank you, the wonderful team of Mami Tawan once again for the theme song, United we stand. Also, I'm very thankful to the inseparable duo, Roshan and Kaba, for their beautiful performance. Kaba and Roshan not only have become popular in the film industry, also has successfully set a benchmark in the field of music, ladies and gentlemen. Coming up next for you, we have a renowned film editor of Manipur, also a very proud member of Mami Tawan Foundation, Mr. Romy Lamabam. Romy Lamabam will be presenting a popular number from the Eagles, Love Will Keep Us Alive. Ladies and gentlemen, Love Will Keep Us Alive from Romy Lamabam.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen who are present here. I have amukana ma'am kurumjari.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Rumi Lamabam, for your beautiful number, Love Will Keep Us Alive. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you next, we have a beautiful duo, a very young, talented film actor, Maxina Pounam and Johnny. Maxina Pounam and Johnny will be presenting a dance performance to a very popular Burmese number, Mangla Par.
Jamara Mujawada Kamya, a Kulo, Mingala Shila, Chinka Tamiyama, Mingala Wal, no Kosata Barikamya.
No such low, fire women that can lit up beauty. She will see the mountain yellow, Giamacha in Artito Yage.
La pare total nuine saila ne moitani je. Pianto ne tanken soni mimye take my eyes away me. A kind my yeti tare nyama 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 no sabiaze bengalava nyama 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 to say your tajine jone me nyama. Mahawira Boda Shile, the night of the eye in my eternal body.
Love for the total in the same land and with Tani. The autumn they talk of so you death my eyes when a kind my yeti tare, Yama, Yama, Yama. Nyama no sabiaze bengalava nyama 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 to say your tajine jone me nyama topa ne jezen lo do ye tai pi nyama
Famya yang zong chega la so when fulo ne
la so le only the jingle to a lot ya
concept dance in chugu tika ye poita
Mano no saga migalaba
Nyama 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 nyamalo no sabyazi Minglava
Minglava
nyama nyama
Minglava
nyama nyama
Chuse yota jene Jone me Nyama 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 Nyamalo no sabyazi
Minglava
Minglava Nyama Chuse yota jene Jone me Nyama
Hello. Hello. Thank you, Mixina Paunam and Joni, for the wonderful performance. Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, is a piece of slice from the very famous Sumang Leela, also known as Courtyard Play. This particular Leela, named Thaza Machet Ki Thabal, has won the prestigious Second Best Play Award 2019. The very famous actor of Sumang Leela, Denny Likmabam. Denny Likmabam, matam sangna Sumang Leela gi Pambakta Thau Pubiduna Amade. Mami Thawan Gisu Yamna Chawa Thautang Pubiriba member Amakakne. Koktok Seri Pumnamaki actor and very popular male actor of Sumang Leela, Denny Likmabam, for a short play from the very famous Sumang Leela called Thaza Machet Ki Thabal.
Wow, that was an awesome performance by Kombirai Chano from Assam in Indian Talent Hunt 2019. Now it's time for the last contestant, and he's also from Northeast India. Ladies and gentlemen, please put it together for Ipatoiba from Manipur.
Hello. Thank you, Danny Ligmabam, for the beautiful dance number from the very famous Sumang Lila Thaza Machit Kitabal. May I also put this on record, ladies and gentlemen, that Danny Ligmabam have won the best male actor from the same Sumang Lila Thaza Machit Kitabal. Mathang asidi last but not the least. Lakadoriba ngasai makai ekoi isai nongmai gi ipakta ekoi pumnang makpu tauduna pubiram labagi matungda top pa mahau mapibina bagi damakta ekoi gi nuksizaraba mami thawangi heart and soul oibiriba nuksizaraba member anika koktoksage, also a very popular film actor, Mr. Huru and Mukabla. Mr. Huru and Mukabla will be enthralling us all with a very colorful comedy act. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Huru and Mukabla.
Hello. Thank you very much, all the guys. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm really appreciate because all the people that are present here, one of the most important cultural program for the Mami Tawan and Myanmar Dramatic Union. And I would like to thank once again. So actually I myself is not a transgender, but I should act as a transgender. But by the way, my face and my style at all is not a transgender. But by the way, hey, hey,
Nati dada, ay nalago na yung nati dada, ay munang budiyang kisay dada. Lamo chukoy na mabatamse, lamo ka tayo siya lumagay dada.
Nayang baro nabunglo hay sibo. Ay di mandendelay. Mandendelay.
Ano mo dada? Mukabala, mukabala kita ba tahu mo kuwab na kumiyo? Oh bala sa iba igiyama mukabala ne. Ato po dada. Nang nabatang kuy na bagay tungda, ngasi kangutan na lakpase, ay diyam nungay. Ato.
Nang ay nakyang kuy nang nang. Saka to tong nakyang kuy nang la. Ha? Nang na nupa mayam kuy raga ay ni ying missing amdre her. Ay ni ying kina matam kyang yirak pan.
Sarat yaro kay no ko so homo ne. No, mana ka yaro haya pote. Tada. Ay nalang mo din si Ivan eh. Tada, yang ka no. Tada, ingon di yang ina tro. Ay na na. Paano homo ito na so tada na diyada ba ne? Ano po ay na homo ina wini se. Ima manung de tolak pa ne. Nang nag-usitap di yaro. Sarat!
Nasak ne na. Bihar ki nagin pubi miye man gay. Fajar di bhai ne.
Natiye. Hey, inama. Nang jo kitang hayo ka to bage. Ako'y na ne. Sari ba homo se saning dana saban natiye. Ima pong nung di yaro pagine. Ado. Mohon. Yam nungay re matam siyam sang na laujar. Anita, thank you all guys. Thank you all guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was truly a different taste, isn't that? A huge round of applause for Huru and Mukabla once again, ladies and gentlemen. And the wonderful people of beautiful Myanmar, on behalf of Mami Tawan, I extend once again a deepest gratitude and sincere thanks for being such a wonderful audience. With these, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this evening program. May we all request the wonderful people of Myanmar to wish Mami Tawan Foundation all the best for a bright future to our way forward. Also, we hope and pray that Mami Tawan Foundation stands strong for the years to come. And we truly believe in the love and support from the people of this beautiful land of gold beautiful Myanmar. A love and support from all of you once again in the next coming few days that we will be here with you. Thank you once again for being such a wonderful guest, and may I request all present here this evening to say it together, that united we stand. Can we all say it together? United, united, united. Thank you. Have a lovely evening and God bless.
I will always lift you up, even if you fall. If you're drowned in the pool of sorrow, I will caress you with the warmth of my heart. So I am lending my hand for you to hold on me.
Mami Tawan, united we stand. 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 Aina kunai gi yumbini kofade. Mayai kabatin jaksu thadok lasi. Aina kunai gi yumbini kofade. Mayai kabat.
ဒီနေ့အတူဘောလုံးပွဲရှိပါတယ်ရှင်တို့ပါ၍လာရောက်၍အားပေးကြပါအောင်လို့မြစ်တာရက်ခံပါတယ်
Kaida ai khoi punna lep lasi. Mami Tawan, united we stand. 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 Apunbagi fajjara saktam amagidamak leple kongfam cheda. Nuksi chanaba kunai amagidamak ai khoi manglom da changsille. Thadok lo nang ai khattagi oiba wakal se tinjang taijang daba kunai amagidamak. Thadok lo nang ai khattagi oiba wakal se tinjang taijang daba kunai amagidamak. Lemle ai khoi kucham nana. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand.
I will always lift you up, even if you fall. If you're drowned in the pool of sorrow, I will
Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Su hongdok lasi anauba mangal gi mai kaida ai koi punna lep lasi Mami Tawan, united we stand. 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 Apunbagi fajjara saktam amagidamak leple khongfam chetna nungsi chanaba khunai amagidamak aikhoi manglom da changsille thadoklo nang ai khattagi oiba wakhalse tinjang kaijang daba khunai amagidamak thadoklo nang ai khattagi oiba wakhalse tinjang kaijang daba khunai amagidama lemle ai khoi khucham nana Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand. Mami Tawan, united we stand.